Hi there, sociology students. So sorry about that. I was trying so hard to get that into 15 minutes, but it just was not working for me. As I said, I'm an oversharer, so sometimes I talk a little too much, and I apologize for that. But anyways, so we were on the social construction of reality, and I really wanted to do this justice and not rush through it in like 1 minute. I had less than a minute, I'll be honest. So let's talk a little bit about what this means. The Thomas theorem, which is really a formulation of the definition of this particular situation. This is a really good way to put it with this quote. If people define a situation as real, they are real in their consequences. So here's an example. On a visit to Morocco in northern Africa, I decided to buy a watermelon. When I indicated to the street vendor that the knife he was going to cut the watermelon was dirty, encrusted with filth would be more apt. He was very obliging. He immediately bent down and began to swish the knife in a puddle in the street. I shuddered as I looked at the passing burros that were urinating and defecating as they went by. Quickly, I indicated by gesture that I would prefer my melon uncut after all. Okay. So what does this mean? Let's talk about it. The definition of the situation for that vendor of watermelons, germs did not exist. For the author of the book, germs do exist. So both the author and the watermelon vendor acted according to their definitions of the situation. So if you believe that germs exist, you will be appalled. If you do not, no big deal. It's just normal. So the social construction of reality, this is the use of background assumptions and life experiences to define what is real. In our social world, we learn ways of looking at life. Hitler and Osama bin Laden, good or evil, right? Evil, because that is our social construct. Germs exist or don't exist. We know they do exist. Basically, everything else in life we have made that social construction for. Through our experiences with others, we construct reality. We learn ways of interpreting our experiences in our life. So what have we learned, right, from macro and micro sociology? The big thing is we need both, okay? Macro sociology and micro sociology focus on different aspects of the human experience, and each is necessary for us to understand social life. And it's important that you understand which one is which when we are looking at specific situations, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in for the last 3 minutes of this presentation. I will try really hard to get the next one in 15. Thank you, guys.